Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Royal. For those of you who are new, welcome. And for those of you who are not, welcome back. Alrighty, without further ado, let's jump into this video of the crochet butterfly locks. So I'm not gonna part my hair individually into the block squares. I am going to do something different. I'm gonna try something different, but I'm gonna show you guys. So what I'm using to do my locks, I am using Bobbi Boss Caliph butterfly locks, and this is the 18-inch, and this is how it looks. I guess for the length purposes, this picture was a little small. So yeah, it has 3 times the 1, 2, 3 things inside. When I was in the beauty supply, I counted out like this individually to try to see like if I could tell how many were in there, and I counted 8. I'm not sure if that's correct, but I counted 8. So 8 times 3, 24, and I have 3 packs. All right. I also have my clips. I'm going to be using 3 clips. I'm going to be using a wire point, whatever you call this, rat-tail comb. And then I have the Shine and Jam. And then I have my oil that I came up with, concocted myself. It has like castor oil, Jamaican castor oil, the wild growth hair oil in here, and then like a little bit of the hair food carrot kind. And then last, you'll need one of these. I'm gonna start off parting my hair. Kind of already had a little part going here. I think it's like straight enough. And then I'm gonna go down to the side. You're gonna put it about how far back you want your how far back you want your hair to go. Because these parts in the front are gonna be your square parts. They're gonna be, you know, so it gives it a more professional look rather than like, okay, I'll just put some cornrows in my hair and braided it to the back. Then we'll tie that side. We'll tie that side like that down, and then I'll do that to the other side. Okay, so now for this first section, I'll brush it out a little. And it doesn't have to really be perfect. I mean, these are butterfly locks, and so they will not really be showing in the cracks of your hair. But what you'll do is kind of like part you a square here. Well, it's not really a square, but part that like that. Hopefully I got that going back far enough. And then what I'm gonna do with that is I'm gonna take it and split it into 2 like that, and I'm going to braid this, taking the Shine and Jam about, not too much, about this much, and then just going like that, kind of gonna grease it afterwards. Right now I just want to kind of get them separated. So like that. And then I'll do this one. Let's leave some of my edges out. I'm not really sure how I want my baby hairs to be at the moment with this, but I know that I want to give it a really nice natural look, so I won't go too crazy because normally I would. So now putting those like that, and then I'm going to braid these two. Made a little mistake, but nothing major. So this you're going to be connecting here, but you're not gonna braid it. You don't have to braid it all the way to the end because you're literally just adding it into it, but you do want to braid it down far enough so that you know you have a good braid process going there. So about right here is fine, but this one you're going to just loosen a tiny bit, so it's just enough to connect it like that, but we're gonna do that all the way across. Now that we're almost done with the top part, I'm gonna go ahead and just add this one in so I can kind of show you guys what it should look like. Hopefully you can kind of see what I'm doing here. So they connect like that, and then you don't really have to braid this all the way to the end again because you're going to be braiding this going back, but you want to braid it enough so that it doesn't like come all the way unloose by the time it's time for you to get to that point in doing that. And then you're going to do that all of these, connecting it. Okay, so after you're done braiding, you know, the front, this is what it's gonna look like. And like I said, the parts don't have to be perfect. And then when you you're gonna take them and then like part like this and go into the back. So when braiding into the back from each line, the back is really gonna be like your fill-in. It's not really about, you know, perfection or whatever. So this will be how it looks like in the back a little bit. Like I said, it does not have to be perfect, and you're gonna do that for each one all the way. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope you all enjoyed it.